Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the gear. Charge the case and both earbuds above half, and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned off or the earbuds are forgotten. Once done, close or uninstall the Bose Music app to avoid automatic reconfigurations. Now open the case lid and keep the earbuds inside. This stabilizes their state. Next, locate the physical or touch reset control on your case. This is the first actionable step to trigger the factory routine. You will now perform the reset. With the lid open and earbuds seated, press and hold the case reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Some models use a long press on touch sensors instead, so follow the model cue. Watch the LED sequence closely. It should show a change, often amber then white, which confirms the factory action. Once the indicator completes, release and close the lid. This tells the earbuds to finish clearing settings and reboot into default state. You finish by repairing and verifying operation. Reopen the case, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and add the earbuds as a new device. Reinstall the Bose Music app to check firmware and restore personalized settings if needed. If pairing fails, do the reset sequence one more time, try a different USB cable or charger, and clean the charging contacts. If problems persist, call support, but most issues resolve after a repeat reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.